The second example is called HTTP response by the building HTTP file server API. So what I'm saying here with this example is, instead of taking the first approach we see in example 1, we're generating the response message physically ourselves. So let's try the alternative, which is not doing that, not generating the response messages ourselves, and exploit the building file server that has already been implemented in Golan's net/HTTP package. And this is the API to start the file server. By calling this, there's already a server that is capable of interpreting incoming HTTP requests and generating the appropriate HTTP responses back to the web browser. So essentially, hey, it's already done the job you're asked to do in pa8. The functionality of the web file server has already been implemented. And that's why in this example, simple response.go, it's super brief. If we scroll down, you see, this is actually one line of code. Okay, it's so long that I actually separated it into 2 lines when I type it up. Okay, so this is, hey, simply saying that the server is launched. And by calling this HTTP listen and serve, okay, listen here, yeah, starting the socket to listen for the HTTP request. So the first parameter is actually to correspond to the listening function of this API. So we'll be starting the file server, and then that file server will be listening at this port number. Okay. And serve in a way that is, like the implementation that existed already in Golan. Okay, so calling http.fileserver API. Now that API takes a parameter, which is to define the home directory of the server. Okay, so http.dir returns the pointer of this thing in the file system. Now this double quote dot means, the server's home directory is going to be the directory that we started the server. Okay, the current directory where we're starting the web server. Let's go ahead and give it a try. The simple response.go. Simple response.go. Okay, started. And that's curl a file that existed. So why don't we use the testing HTML file that we downloaded for pa8. So server-test.html. Yes, we get the testing HTML file from the server. We can also download a text file. For example, the first code example, string response.go. There, the source code of string response.go. Now you might be thinking, hey, if we actually ask for a file that doesn't exist and it prints file not found here at the client, then we're done. So let's go ahead and try, a random file name like this in C. Oh, very close. It says not found here. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not quite exact. It says 404 page not found, not file not found. So this is also saying that we'll need to customize the native server here in HTTP package in order to generate customized response message for the purpose of pa8.